I'm Scott with ARB here at SEMA 2022. We've got tons of new product in the ARB booth to kind of go through, and the Ford Bronco carries a lot of it. So we'll start with the Bronco. We have a brand new light. It's called the Intensity IQ. This is literally 4 lights in one and then some. We have a super spot, a flood, and a mid-range all incorporated into the same light that you can control independently via Bluetooth app. You can actually adjust the intensity of the light. You can key the lights together, certain categories with one or the other on the switch mechanism that comes in the cab. So lots of flexibility, crazy output. It goes about 1.3 kilometers with the super spot function. So very high output, very high-end light, and it is going to be available here beginning of December. Moving on to some of the Bronco accessories, we do have a new underhood mount for our twin compressor that we developed in conjunction with the Ford engineers. It actually has a special plate in there that helps to reduce any issues with possibly interfering with the computer. So we collaborate with Ford on a lot of these developments. Obviously our Summit bumper maintains the cameras, maintains the radar, maintains all of your airbag compatibility. Full skid plate systems underneath the Bronco. They are available currently. We actually have 3 different bumpers available for the Bronco already. We have our rock sliders moving down to the side here. These are frame mounted, very strong. We even incorporate a jack point into the sliders for recovery. Continuing down the Bronco, we move up to the base rack. This was done right. We actually have an internal framework system that we can point out in here, and that'll take you right into this unit down to the sport bar. And at a point up front, it does allow you to actually remove the front panels, but this will allow you to have about a 300-pound dynamic load put on that and carried correctly down through the framework. We also have a BP51 prototype suspension on this, about 4.5 inches of lift, lets you clear a 37-inch tall tire. The BP51s are our triple bypass, completely adjustable compression and rebound. Amazing, amazing ride out of it.
Is that a complete suspension system?
It will be, yes. We currently have 3 different suspensions available in our standard Old Man Emu nitrocharger kit. So we have a light rate, medium rate, and heavy rate coil system available for the Bronco, and those are in stock. BP51 systems will be out probably in a matter of about 6 months or so. We have our drawer systems for the Bronco. We've got our jack mount for the Bronco.
So tell us a little bit more about this.
The jack is a fully hydraulic jack. It's a much safer, much more compact unit compared to some of the old farm equipment out there. Works very well, very smoothly, and it allows you to adjust the actual tongue wherever you choose to position it along the body of the jack. And it's just simple hydraulic action, raises it and lowers it. Very smooth.
So when you buy the jack, does it come with this mounting system?
That is a Ford Bronco exclusive mount, but we do have some universal ones that are out in the aftermarket.
Okay, and there's a rear bumper on here too?
Yes, sir. That is our Zenith rear bumper. Again, it maintains all these important electronics that these bumpers are coming with, that the vehicles are coming with these days.
And we don't want to forget that ARB locker.
That's right. Got the ARB locker. That is out and available. Air locker is super strong.
Front and rear for the Bronco?
Just rear for now. Front will be on its way soon.
Okay.
And diff covers are available as well.
Let's get a demonstration on that light.
Quick demo on the light. We'll fire these up for you, and careful what you're looking at. These are an amazingly bright light.
Thank you.
Yeah. So careful what you're looking at. But the switch allows you to then toggle through the different settings of the light. And actually allows you to go back up through them. As I mentioned, it has a Bluetooth app that then allows you to adjust the output of these lights. It allows you to adjust how these lights are firing and how they're sequenced. Very high-end stuff. If you're not into super high-end stuff, if you're old like me, you just want a simple switch to activate just your flood stuff, believe me, you can just push that switch there, and switch to fire just your spots, and you can push that switch there.
So that's the normal toggle that's also included.
Yes, it is.
And are these sold as a pair or?
Sold as a complete kit. It'll be with 2 lights and the wiring harness and the specific switch and light control module.
Very cool.
Yeah.
I see another booth vehicle over here.
Yeah, if we could run over and check out the Tacoma. Let's wander through the booth. first thing to point out would be our brand new, it's called the Mark II Summit Bumper. This actually has a much quicker install time. It has a new sleek design with a one-piece light unit that allows to be attached from the outside, saving a lot of install time and a very clean, sleek look, matching up very nicely with the Tacoma grill.
And this goes all the way down.
Correct. Those are our side rails, and it functions as a step as well.
So that's an additional component.
Correct.
The bumper has an integrated joint here and
This actually
camping
requires
system.
a little bit of a drill through, and then this attaches as an additional optional accessory. You can see our new light assembly up front here. Has the sequential LEDs for the turn signals, has our driving lights, everything incorporated into one complete unit. Nice, easy access too for your winch tools. This also has our BP51 suspension. Also has our
Is it-
revolutionary. I'm sorry.
The skid plate is full body skid plate.
It is.
Part of the protection system.
It's not part of the bumper. It is a system you can actually add on whether you have our bumper or if you have anybody else's that we're aware of. But yes, it is. It runs completely under the vehicle. We also have the skid plate systems for that Bronco we talked about earlier, and full recovery points. And those are a rated recovery point, rated at the full turn angle of the vehicle at the about 8-ton level. So very strong recovery point. We have our revolutionary base rack up here. This has a unique dovetail style mount that allows you to position your accessories wherever you choose to. Much, much stronger mounting configuration than any of the T-slot systems that are currently available. Plenty of accessories to go with those. And finally, we have our brand new bed rack. This is again for the Tacoma. This is aluminum. It incorporates that same dovetail technology that we were talking about. It allows you to bolt on those accessories in multiple variations. Very important with the Toyota is that it also incorporates a steel substructure underneath it to actually transmit the load down to the actual body and down to the actual framework of the vehicle. So these Toyota beds are a composite bed, and not having the load distributed correctly is very dramatic. We have dramatic results on a composite bed.
Sure.
So you can kind of see the steel subframe continuing down and into there to correctly carry it. And of course we have our hard shell rooftop tent. That's our Esperance. Set up as a snap. It works on hydraulic struts. Pop out your ladder and you are in business.
Well, this is a fancy deluxe trail kitchen.
Yeah, this is our slide kitchen. This is going through government regulations right now to get approved for sale in the United States. But yes, very simple, very quick setup. You just really collapse your sink. It goes into the drawer. This folds up here. This goes up, and your kitchen is ready to be slid back in and done.
Wow. Man, a quick setup and start cooking, right?
You got it. Yeah, literally having our tent up there. You can pop that up within a couple minutes. That's set up. 30 seconds, have your kitchen out. And your fridge is right on the back there as well. So you have your complete campsite set up in about 5 minutes.
All right, no mess, no fuss. Let's go camping.
I like it. Let's do it. Take ARB with you.